Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need one sheet of a 4 or 8, 5x11 paper and a flat surface. Sharp creases matter. Begin by folding the paper lengthwise and press the crease tightly, then open it back out. Next, bring the 2 top corners down to the center fold so the top edge becomes a pointed nose. Once done, make sure the tip is aligned precisely with the center line. Small misalignment now makes trimming later harder. These first folds set the jet's nose and symmetry. You'll lock the nose by folding the pointed tip back about 1/2 inch so layers hold. This increases stability in flight. Then fold each outer edge into the center line to form a slimmer fuselage. This concentrates mass along the spine. Once the body is narrow, fold the plane in half away from you along the original center crease. Now fold each wing down so their trailing edges line up with the bottom of the fuselage. This defines your wing sweep and lift. You finish by adding winglets. Make tiny upward folds at each wingtip to stabilize roll. For the F-16 look, cut 2 small vertical slits near the rear fuselage and fold up twin tail fins, or simply fold small tabs upward to simulate fins. Balance test. Throw gently. If it dives, add a paper clip to the nose. If it stalls, bend trailing edges up slightly. If it rolls, tweak winglets asymmetrically. Make small changes and retest until flight is smooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.